Good day, I am Jerson Estrada from BSME, and our group is assigned to teach you some basic AutoCAD commands. So at the end of this video, the students are expected to use the draw commands in AutoCAD and use the modify commands in AutoCAD. So draw commands are used to draw objects in AutoCAD like lines, circles, and polygons, to name a few. They can be drawn by typing the shortcut commands or by clicking the icon representing the command. So first, I'm going to teach you how to pan. It's a uh, very basic command. You can just press the button and you can run a command. Just press the button, a single button. So first, we're gonna open our AutoCAD there, and we are going to open a drawing. Let's say I'm gonna open this one, and to pan on a drawing, you can simply type P and then just click the button and then drag it in any position you want. And alternatively, you can just press the middle mouse button on your mouse. Just press it like this. You see, I do not type any letter or something. I just press the middle mouse button and I can now move the drawing anywhere I want. So that is how pan works. Thank you.
Greetings, my name is Janos Encarnacion. We're gonna talk about the zoom command. Zoom is used to view your object near or far away from you. We use the letter Z in our keyboard as a shortcut command for zoom. Then we're gonna press enter or spacebar. We can also use our mouse wheel as an alternative for zooming in and zooming out.
Good day. I am Alzec de la Cuesta and I would be teaching you today on how to perform the move command in CAD. The move command is a type of a modify command that is done to transfer objects from one location to another designated location within the drawing area. It is performed by following these steps. Type M in the command line and then press the enter or spacebar key, or click the icon that represents the move command in order to activate the command. Step 2. Select the object or objects that you wish to be moved. Drag onto the objects to quicken your selection. Step 3. Pick a base point. This allows you to see where the starting point of the object is before moving it. Step 4. Pick a destination point. Choose where you'd want your object to be moved, either by inputting an exact length or using the cursor to point that certain location. And that is how you perform the move command in CAD.
How to rotate in AutoCAD. First, select the rotate icon from the ribbon panel. Second, select the object. Here, we will rotate the full object, so the full object will be selected. Third, press enter to select the object. Fourth, specify the base point on the figure. Fifth, drag the cursor clockwise or counterclockwise to rotate the object.
Good day. I am Viriana de Aviles and would tell you on how to operate the trim command in AutoCAD. But first, what is trim command? Trim is an operation to remove unnecessary object in your drawing. And to operate this command, kindly type the small letter of T and R and then press enter or spacebar. Then select the object that you want to trim in your drawing. And that's all for cutting the irrelevant object in your drawing. I hope it helps you.
Good day everyone, my name is Sheila May Carmen. So for the command offset, we can find it in the ribbon of the AutoCAD. As you can see dito sa may upper part ng ribbon, merong home, insert, annotate, parametric view, tsaka marami pang iba. So punta ka lang dito sa home. Then sa home, hanapin mo yung modify. Ito sa may tabi ng draw. Then sa loob ng modify, hanapin mo yung array. Yung array, yung katabi niya, yun yung offset. Yung parang oblong na kalahati. Then click. Pero if nahihirapan kayong maghanap or masyadong time consuming yung paghahanap, you can simply type O in the drawing area for shortcut. So ano nga ba yung purpose ng offset and paano ito gamitin? So ang purpose ng offset command ay mag-create ng lines or shapes through a point or at a specified distance. So, ito yung, let's say, pinaka-fastest way to create more lines and shapes. Hindi na natin kailangan magmano-mano, like, type L for lines and C for circles and specify their distance and repeat if you want to create more. No, just create one line or shape and simply type O, space, lagay mo yung distance na prefer mo, then space again, and click the line or shape you made, then drag. So, mapapansin nyo na it create lines paloob with the distance na nilagay mo. So, that's how offset works. So, kung gusto mo tuloy-tuloy yung click ka na lang ng click, just type again the O for offset, space, specify the distance, space, click the line or the space or the shape, then type M for multiply. So, by this, you can create 2 or more lines just by clicking the object itself. So that's it. Again, offset is a command that enables you to offset a line or shapes easily and quickly.
Good day everyone, I am Mark Adrian Di Gregorio. So, I will be showing you how to do the gradient command. So, the gradient command is just like the hatch command, but in addition to pattern, colors can be inserted in your object. In fact, you can type age and click settings, then just switch to gradient. So to perform hatch, the following can be followed. First, type GD, then press enter or spacebar key. Second, type T, then press enter or spacebar key. Alternatively, you can click settings in the options. Third, choose between one color and two colors. Fourth, click the three dots, select a color, then click OK. And fifth, if one color is selected, you can adjust the shade. Sixth, select a pattern you like. And seventh, click and pick points. And eighth, pick an internal point, then press enter or spacebar key. So additional tip, to edit a hatch, type hatch edit, then click the hatch you want to edit.
So now we are going to demonstrate how to use the explode command in AutoCAD. First thing we need to do is to create a shape. Let's use rectangle as an example. So there are different ways to access the explode command. If you're on the home ribbon, you can find the explode command on the modify panel. You can also type in X enter to start the explode command. And you can also go to the modify cooldown. It is all the way down here at the bottom. So just go ahead and press that. And what the explode command is gonna do is that it's gonna take the object that we created, this rectangular block. This block is 4 individual lines, but they're joined together as a polyline. So when I do the explode command, I'm gonna select the object, so it doesn't know that I'm done selecting. So I'll press enter to tell AutoCAD I'm done selecting, and that's it. It looks like it didn't do anything, but when I come over here, now these are 4 individual lines. It's a nice way to take anything that is joined together in one big piece and just break it down to a smaller component that object is made of. Now, I do like to show you along with the explode command, kind of the opposite way, the join command. But there is a way to take individual lines and make those into polylines. And to do that, I'm gonna click on this modify, the little pull down arrow next to the word modify, and there is these two arrows pointing at each other. You can also type J enter for join, but what you're gonna do with that is you can draw a window or individually click on those objects or those lines. When you're done selecting the objects to join, press enter and that join it back into a polyline. So that's it for the explode command along with the join command.
So, para sa ating next command is spline. What is spline? Spline is used to create a smooth curve which passes through a set of predefined joints or points. Dito natin makikita yung spline sa draw. Untoggle lang natin siya. Then, 1, 2, 3. So, lagi natin tatandaan is yung spline, ginagamit siya ng tatlong points. Kasi kapag dalawang point lang siya, alam niyo naman, 'di ba? Line lang 'yon. So, yan, dyan lang natin siya makikita or pwede natin i-type yung SPL kapag medyo bago-bago yung inyong AutoCAD. So, another example. 1, 2, 3. So, yung bawat points na yon is pwede natin siyang ma-manipulate tulad nito. Diba? Kung anong gusto nyo, kung paano siyang angle gagamitin. So, meron dalawang klase ng spline which is fit spline and CV spline or control vertices.